Okay, good. Welcome back. Now let's solve the first exercise in our Python course. So this is the edge calculator, and the task of this exercise is to define some variables such as name of the user, year of birth, and current year. And using these variables, we should calculate the age of the user, and the output should be something like hello user, you are, let's say, 24 years old. So your task will be to define these variables and perform this calculation to find out the age of the user and print out this statement in the output. You can either directly define these variables such as name equals Alice, then the year of birth and current year will be integers. You can define those variables and then calculate age equals the arithmetic operation that we just checked in the previous lecture. And to print the output, you can use the f string with the variables given in the curly brackets. This is one way to solve this exercise. Other way can be using the input function. So you can define the variables through input functions. You can take input from the user and do the exact same steps. The good thing about input function method will be any person, any user can use this code and you don't have to change the variables by hand every single time. So this is the problem statement. I hope you will be able to solve it. I'll see you in the solution lecture.